fit any asese ni din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
Akwaba shonko enko ma sabre isi wajibre ehwe too much GH so Musumfo na ama obusua eni na ebre asose Ghana omanyi mu ensem de ekoni de epede ano me de ebesomo ewo fidei eso na me che trending issues ninti rasum neti emu ensem ebusa for report abeto yenim sabre ehwe se court atnase the injunction the atu isi so se ma isi gazette result womu enya for parliamentary candidate fi hohoi just enunimu no honorable Peter Abehu parliamentary candidate elect edema hohoi constituency mu na ninya ejina application group bi womu ede ex parte artist womu afa chachu chikata lawyer wode omo akopiemu ewokota womu demand womu de etu daniel say abato ayetu wo hohoi no womu entimi enya representation ewo abato na say womu no omo aba no enka abana ye kinkan no eho na ninya edna say isi edit womu nim ewo afia mu bosumi echi ansa na abato no eba to say womu percent womu encreate new constituency efama womu say womu Gwan district no yen creating new constituency enfa emma womu na miawodo a womo edicide sem abetuja Central Kofi Akpafu Lologbi enalipe just womo no isi dit womo nim say because of district for ye bie edewon ti na nka wu benya say constituency for ye be bie edewon no matimi ato aba Roman ka say yi womo representative ebo parliament mu nanso isi hihye dia a wode etokwa no entimi anya adwuma amfa amomo santi new constituency no womu entimi enbia no amfa ama woniti isi na hu nse na eko no on the state no wono omo esikonya ekacho omo se aba no ebeya womu ento omo ba registered voters omo wo Gwan district no emu no womu ento omo ba Emma presidential candidate omo pe enye parliamentary there because omo ni constituency ninti womu etimi to aba eyi constituency representative Emma aben emu na eno say according to womo lawyer no just what they odi parte gofono enim no Mr. Nelson Bafo one also edit say be able to just say those people from Central Fi Akpafu Lolobi and Liquid did not have the chance to cast their ballots on December 7th. What really happened is that on the eve of the election, the EC asked them not to participate in the election, which is a denial of their fundamental human rights. The EC, in turn, told them that a constituency, which is the Gwan constituency, will be created for them. These people from their enclave earlier on July 31st wrote to the EC in the quest to follow up on the EC's position. Their letter was not responded to until the eve of election, when the EC told them that they can only vote in the presidential election. Now, the life of this parliament comes to an end on the 6th of January. So these people are not going to be represented in the next parliament. They did not vote for an MP and will not be represented. Not just say, and only omo asema, womo edi akodina, quarter, womo she, nimse court with the assemno edemone. No, and as a court also edna so amasabre waka. And actually, is a one train church, so work Gazette, Honorable Minister of Energy, Honorable John Peter Amewu resort no. I was a former Kaya Abayi, Yakenka, Yakase, when ya emu, 26,952 as a brand ni opponents, NDC Nino, Margaret Kweku, SO Etinya emu, 21,821. I just say, Mr. Amewu won't me any. MP hohoi constituency go see say and some way no wo metimi akawia wo metimi pi amate so wo court esi hu gina ye ansa na say beto aso as MP na wati ato aso na se embakura na se na aba na onya ile betwem ama ya to aba fofra no so womo ade atuda na se nipa enya omo enti ase na ne mu no ensebwe ebeto dwa no eye EC eye womo pedifo abemu abekasa ade afa ensem no na womo ade no atese womo ade tuda ne se womo anhyeda enye se boapaye bi and womo hyede si womo kwai so womo to aba fama eye member of parliament because na eye ka ehyeyan womo eye ho se enkoma bie new constituency edi amomo for one district na ka one constituency na so ehyehyede enyama etese nkomo nya na nto akwemu na ntimi anto akwemu no na nam so ma tese antimi amma so womo enya abanu bi anto na say na easy pedipa oda no no customer easy no do etuda o say it was not a deliberate attempt by the EC to deny the people of representation in parliament. They could not have voted to elect an MP because it was not legally right for an MP to be voted for by two different districts. By law, if a new constituency is created, they have to join the new parliament. And whether the people will have a representation or not in the 8th parliament, it will be another hurdle. As a commission, we will do our part and leave the rest to the judicial process. I know what the etu that say enye boapayo na the koba eno the etu that say woman to me almost two different districts. Eti to me ka say because first no ka district we want to make am boom. Now we want to abani ya na to say enye peda bi almost different districts until you see omo kwan so we want to about for the parliamentary candidate. Na so ni nyemu no say akodu emra nimfo enim na to say judge atena asem no so to meja amajad no so e dey akwan atoto ho na tese mama ananto so aye dey sefata na tese afa emra ekwamu na we na ensem we beto dey Ghana focus na honorable Peter Amewu ni winner akoya surprise miracle win ya enkofo abodi so ntise say as baby akodru eni tese enya mbaso ana sesempa ene ekoso na ebusafo baby akodru die ajejaji na ene obetere say ebeba so say maso wo boju omani no esi amini so omo chiase ana so omo nya abotra ba baby akodru no akopie mu ewo asembibia ni tebusafo yede ni ebidi ensem no echi de be fi ba baby awo chibia no so no yede be so mo ewo ye fi de so no nti wonso a wate ensem hu bi no adwentre a wo fa wo no mama de na fa so me ewo ye comment section na bi social video way on all the social media platforms now follow your Instagram and your Twitter handles at @tumagh _ Facebook so @tumagh nana ama owusu a enemy din nyame ya duma ebedi shabi subscribe ya makramo